Well, the time is here. It's time to talk about all matters insurance. And without further ado, I'd like to introduce this gentleman who is very interesting. His name is Mr. Kalai Musee. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
You had the supervision department at IRA.
Yes, that's right.
Karibu sana.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I like the two African names. It's very, very strong, very powerful.
Okay.
Wherever it is you're watching us from, what are your two African names? Are they tongue twisters or easy to say, like Kalai Musee? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Tell us, what does IRA, what does your department do at IRA?
My department is called Supervision Directorate. It's actually a directorate. This directorate, what it does is basically to look at the insurance industry, all the players in the insurance industry, starting from licensing all the way to looking at how they do their business, how they conduct themselves, how they treat their customers, and all those aspects. That's what supervision is all about, just to make sure that they operate within the law. We are the Insurance Act which we enforce. So it's ensuring that everybody plays within the Insurance Act.
And obviously your actions are actually backed up by law.
Yes,
you're empowered
right.
by the law.
Yeah.
Now, good sir, there's people that would say, you people are now like the prefects of all the insurance companies.
We are.
What do you do to insurance companies that are found to be rogue or to go against the law or against best practice or even operating in bad faith?
Actually, again, the law provides for actions that can be taken. And those actions can vary, including warnings, we warn them, reprimanding, there are several of them, penalizing, and it ends probably with cancelling their license at the end of the day. That's the worst you can do. Yeah, so there is a chain of actions that are provided for in the Insurance Act that we can take.
Right.
Yes.
Another challenge that we have seen is a lot of Kenyans have raised some concern over the fact that your organization are supposed to be the people that everyone runs to when there's trouble. If you're having trouble dealing with your insurance company.
That's right.
They should come to you.
That's
Could you just briefly outline for us the process of addressing some of these concerns?
Yes, if you are dealing with an insurance company, of course, many times you'll be okay with the services they give you. But at some point, you may find that they don't serve you the way you feel you should be served. And you need somebody to look at that and support you. That's actually why we are there. Because our business is actually protection of policyholders and insurance beneficiaries. That's why our mandate is to protect you. So if you have any issues, there is an avenue for you to come to us and complain. Or even seek advice. They could be telling you something and you are not comfortable with that.
Yes.
You can actually come to us, seek technical advice. Is what they are telling me the correct thing? Should I go that way? We can give that advice, that technical advice. So there's a procedure. You can actually go to our website and lodge your complaint there. There are also telephone numbers. If you go to the website, you'll see telephone numbers which you can call us, some of them toll-free, so that you can lodge your complaint. Or you can physically walk into our offices, which are based in Upper Zephyr Place, second floor.
And you can be assisted?
You can be assisted.
You know, there's a subject, in recent years, of course, we've had a few insurance companies that have actually collapsed.
That's right.
And of course, when they collapse, there's a lot of stress among the people who actually are their clients. How do they get their money back? How do they get the service back? And we've seen some payouts. For example, the Policyholders Compensation Fund says it paid out about 93 million actually, 93 million, about 94 million to customers of the collapsed Resolution Insurance, Concord and Standard Assurance Company.
That's right.
That was around last year.
Yes.
But at the same time, Treasury was also under pressure to soften these payouts, to these collapsed insurance funds. Talk to us about that, because there are some people that still feel aggrieved. They feel like they were not treated fairly when these insurances collapse together with their resources and what they've invested. What happens to them? What happens for them?
Oh, okay. Thank you for that question.